children, today we will solve some of the numericals based on the potentiometer concept. In this numerical, a long uniform potentiometer wire AB is having a constant potential gradient along its length. The null points for the two primary cells of EMF E1 and E2 connected in the manner shown in the diagram are obtained as at a distance 120 centimeter and 300 centimeter from the end A. Okay, we have to find out the ratio of E1 and E2, and we have to find out the position of null point for the cell E1. Okay, and another question they have asked once again, how is the sensitivity of potentiometer increased? Now let us understand that in this first case we want to find out the E1 by E2 ratio. Okay, now first of all understand that K is a potential gradient. So I will write down here K is potential gradient, and that is same. Okay, and it is measured in volt per centimeter. Now in the first case, whenever the cells are connected end to end, that means positive negative in a proper direction or in a proper combination, then we can have here E1 plus E2 are in series. Okay, and this together they can give the balance point or null point at the 300 centimeter. Now you can see that here in the second combination you can see that E1 and E2, whenever they are connected in the opposite sign convention, that means negative is connected to negative, then obviously what happens, one cell is considered as a positive and the another cell according to sign convention is considered as a EMF of that cell as a negative. Okay, and in that case the balance point obviously becomes lesser and balancing length becomes lesser. We can see that it is 120 centimeter. So we will put the equation for the first case and we will solve the equation for the second case. Okay, so I'll write down here E1 plus E2 when the cells are in a proper combination is equal to 300 K. Okay, and E1 minus E2 is equal to 120 K, because in this case the balancing length goes on decreasing. Okay, so if we solve this complete equation, then we can get it as E1 is equal to 210 K. Okay, and E2 we will get it as a 90 K. Okay, now E1 upon E2 ratio, if we will find out, then it is 210 K divided by 90 K. So it is equal to 7 by 3. Okay, now in this case we can get the ratio of the two cells, EMF of the two cells. Now in the second case we are going to find out the balancing length or the null point for the cell E1. Okay, now in this case once again we have said that E1 is equal to 210 K. E1 is equal to 210 K. Therefore balancing length I want to find out. Balancing length for cell E1 is L1 is equal to E1 by K. Okay, now E1 is nothing but 210 K upon K. We will get it here, balancing length as a 210 centimeter. Okay, now next one. They have asked how the sensitivity of the potentiometer is increased, and we have discussed this, that the sensitivity of the potentiometer can be increased by decreasing potential gradient. So I will write down sensitivity can be increased by decreasing K. So for that we can choose the long wire, which is initially suppose having 400 centimeter distance wire, then we can choose it over a little bit higher length wire. Okay, so we can do it by increasing length of the wire, we can get the lesser K. Okay, or by increasing the resistance put in series with main cell. Means what? Okay, so this is the main cell resistance, or the resistance which is in series with the main cell. Okay, if we increase this resistance, what happen? So if we increase this resistance, obviously the current in this main circuit goes on decreasing. Okay, as current goes on decreasing, we have studied that K is equal to I rho by A, isn't it? This we have studied. So if I is lesser, if this I is lesser, obviously the potential gradient also goes on decreasing. So these are the two ways we can find out the sensitivity of the potentiometer can be increased. Thank you.